Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. This session will introduce you our attendance menu or module. Okay, once you log in to your account, iDeRMS account, look at the menu on your left. Under the academic module, you can see the attendance at the top one here. So for the attendance module, we have three sub-menus, which is student attendance, report by course code, and report by lecturers. Okay, so I'm just going to go for the first one, which is the student attendance. All right, so you can see this page with the attendance list. These are the lists of attendance that I have made for other sessions. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to add the attendance. So look at the button on the right side, on the top right here. It says create attendance. Click that button, and then look at the location. You have to fill up everything here. So choose a location where exactly the session is. Let's say the session is in Emerald, and the session start at the date and the time here, so you can select the time. You can do this attendance retrospectively too, or in advance. Okay, so done for the start, and then we're going to choose the end. So let's say the session ends at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so that's done. The type of session, choose either clinical, preclinical, or PG preclinical. PG clinical, you can choose clinical here. Okay, and then choose the program code that is available. So we have DS240 all the way to the postgraduates. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose the undergraduates here, and then the course code I'm gonna choose perhaps comprehensive care. And then if you have discipline under the code, you choose the discipline. If you don't, just choose the one that is appear, and then choose the year of study. Let's say choose year 4, and then as you know, they have groups. Okay, so you can choose either one group or more than one group. Okay, so if you have more than one group, just type the group and then add another group you want, and then click submit. Okay, if you don't, if you only have one group, just click A or any other group that you are attending and click submit. Click the button yes, save it, and then it will appear on this table at the top one. Okay, and then you if you want to fill up the attendance form here, just click the purple button here, and this page will show up for you to do the attendance. Okay, so for this attendance, every student's name will appear for the particular group that you have selected. The action button here, okay, the one that you have to click, there are 4 options, which is present, absent with reasons, absent, and not applicable. Okay, if the student is present, just click the present button. The system will automatically change the status. If the student is absent with a reason, for example on the medical leave or having other issues, with with permission, you can type something here in the remarks. For example, now I'm just going to put MC, and you can click absent with reasons. Okay, and then the third button, if you don't know where the student is, you don't know the student hasn't notified you or the academic unit, you can click absent. When you click absent, the percentage of attendance in the final stage will not be calculated. Okay, so if the student on MC will be calculated, so it means that the student, if they absent, it will be calculated as absent, but if you click absent with reason, it will not be part of the calculation, so it doesn't really affect the percentage. But if you put not applicable, for example, in that group only 3 students are going to the OT, in the OT, but the rest of the group will be in the clinic, so you can put not applicable button here. So the other lecturer that attending to the rest of the group in the clinic will do the same for those who are in the clinic. Okay, so there you go. You can use all the 4 buttons available, and probably you can finish everything here. You can click everything. Just going to show you how to do this. Absent reason. Okay. Right, last one. Okay, you don't have to press any button. Okay, once you've done that, the system will automatically save it. Okay, if you see the button here at the top, verify attendance, only the head of department will be able to do this. Okay, so you don't have to do this, you just leave it like that. Okay, all right, that is the summary. On the top here, there is a summary of what is going on. So it's total 5 out of 9, means 5 student attending out of 9 in total. So the 55.56% is the percentage of attendance for that particular session. Okay, all right, so that is for the first sub menu, and then we're going to go for the second sub menu, which is a report by course code. If you want to generate a report by the course code, you may do so in this submenu. Choose the session, and then choose the program code, and then choose the course code, and then select the year. And this one you can select up to the year only, and click submit. And if there is a record, then it will appear down here. Okay, this is the training module, so you don't see anything here. All right, so it should appear here if you have any attendance made in the past. All right, let's go to the third sub menu, which is report by lecturer. This is usually used by the head of department to generate a report by the lecturer. So what we do is, rather than the lecturer taking attendance of the student, the system also will mark the attendance for every lecturer that attend to the clinical session. Okay, so type of session, choose clinical, program code, and then you can choose course code, and then select any lecturers pertinent to what to the course code. Okay, so you can select any code at all, any lecturer's name, and then it will appear down here. So this is a training module. It doesn't have any record pertinent to this course code and lecturer. So the attendance report will come up in this table. Okay, so I think that is all about the attendance module. Thank you.